Good day, guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So really happy to see you, and I'm excited to share this video with you. So this was a hour or 2 hour video that I actually compressed, and I made it over 7 minutes. So I'm expecting you guys to see price dropping all the way down. So this is actually a buy model, but before the buy model plays out, I'm gonna see a heavy drop and a liquidity grab. Because I'm actually expecting price to go over that area right there above that I've marked out the line, and you will also see probably an annotation or something showing you there where I'm expecting price to go up to. So for now I'm basically just looking at price as price is dropping. When I see price dropping up to that order block, and that's where you see me making my buy position. You basically see you see an arrow dropping in, showing that I'm executing right here. Right there it is. So that's basically where I opened my first order. For this purpose, I'm actually preparing for 2024, and that's why you see me executing my trades on TradingView with a paper trading account. Mastering and backtesting and making sure that my trades are actually well. So I'm actually doing this on a live market. Live market meaning it's not backtesting. So as you see how price is pushing strong from the time we bought, I'm basically looking for those double tops that are there above, and I see price taking out where you see me putting that flashlight, the light bulb. I basically want to see price taking out that area for there to be the first liquidity area that is taken out, and you see a strong bullish movement that's taking out the price. So basically, since I've seen that strong bullish movement, I'm actually excited, and I want to see price dropping down, not continuing to go up, because they need to stabilize price and also create some emotional weakness. So you see me closing some of my trades, actually adding to my trade right there, that area. But you will see it's actually just a methodology that I'm using in order to scale in my positions. But basically I'm actually aware that price is gonna fall, and I want price to fall deeper, and you will see me that I'm actually looking at the higher time frame to just to make sure of that. So basically, seeing price falling that deep, this is an extra confirmation to believe the price is gonna go higher, and I expect price to go higher and to push higher, and you basically see price going and pushing higher and breaking free on those highs. But for me to start buying, to add more positions, basically I expect price to go high with a strong push upwards. Basically, as I'm looking now, I start to realize that price is not really pushing that strong. Price is showing me that it's actually not done with the psychological game that it plays usually, whereby you see price showing as if it's selling, or showing short potential while it's not even going short, in order to trigger a lot of fear and trigger a lot of analysis paralysis. So this is where basically many of the traders will change their mind to start looking for the opposite direction, or many would even start adding their positions and start buying. So both buyers and both sellers are being tricked here. Many would be opening positions right now as you speak, and you see the market just collapsing now. So that collapse is actually to take out all of the buyers, and also to train them that the market is gonna sell. So after this, you're gonna see a lot of a heavy short downwards, to blow all those accounts. I'm tricking more people to start buying, and then we're gonna see market dropping heavily, going back into my inefficiency. So that's the signal that I gave, whereby I was expecting liquidity to be taken out there, and I'm still expecting liquidity. But first we have to blow accounts and do emotional damage. So basically that's where you will see many of the stop losses being hit at one of those lines that you see me drawing, and that's where also many people are buying. So when I take out those buys also with a strong sell, so when I see a strong sell, that's gonna take out most of those buys. So let's wait and see. I want to see a stronger sell. So many guys are buying and they're very excited right now. It's basically still having hope. Yes. So basically that's where I'll put my stop loss. That's where I'll stop looking for bullish movement. So basically this is where we start longing heavily, start buying, opening more positions, and adding more positions in order. Now basically I'm just looking for strong buys, heavy price movement. I want to see a stronger movement, yeah, but I want to see, yes. So basically price is played out, liquidity has been taken out, and I'm satisfied with this trade so far. So this is what I do every single day when I'm on the market. Every single day I come to price and I look at price, and the price does exactly what I'm looking for. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a great one. Bye.